Alright guys, so welcome to Knot Patterns. Alright guys, so welcome to Knot Patterns. Alright, this is my one of my channels. This is not Knot Fashion Hub, it's Knot Patterns. Alright, here we deal with strictly pattern drafting. Okay, that's what this channel is for. I discovered that so many persons are struggling with drafting patterns, but they can sew very well. So on this channel, what we do is strictly pattern drafting. Today we're going to draft the pattern for a long sleeve with the cufflinks, and we are going to stitch it afterwards. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe so that you will not miss out on the unique content of this channel. Believe me, this is where I'm going to be dropping patterns on almost everything, guys. I want this channel to serve as a hub for everything pattern. Well, and also guys, if you're interested in my suit class, my male suit class, my female suit class, my safari suit class, that's my number on the screen. Chat me up and I'll add you up to the class. All right, and also my WhatsApp group is available. If you want to join my WhatsApp group where you will have one-on-one interaction with me and other designers, all right, the link is in the description below. Click that link and you'll join my WhatsApp group. There you can ask so many questions you want, and there will be a lot of persons to attend to you, not just me. It's a community of other designers as well. All right, so without wasting time, let's start the class and draft the pattern for a long sleeve, and afterwards stitch it. All right, so let's go. All right, so for us to cut our sleeve, okay, first of all I'm going to start my measurement from this mark here, but I'm going to show you how to fold the fabric for cutting your sleeve. Okay, so when you want to fold your fabric to cut your sleeve, you first of all consider your bicep measurement. And when I say bicep, okay, I'm going to show you what I mean by bicep measurement. Okay, this is bicep here. So for this customer, his bicep is 15 divided by 2, you have 7.5. Then you will now add 2.5 inches to the bicep measurement, so that will become 10. Okay, that now gives you an idea of how wide you will fold your fabric. Okay, bicep divided by 2 plus 2.5 inches. So after getting that, the next thing for us to do is to get the length of this sleeve. The customer sleeve length is 24, but because it's cufflinks, I'm removing 1 inch, so I'll use 23. I'm removing just 1 inch from the 24. I'll use 23. I'm removing 1 inch because when I add my cufflinks, I'll get my length back and I'll still have a little excess to trim off. All right, so that is that. So the next thing for us to do now is to get the wrists. Okay, and for this customer, his wrist is 8, that is 4 divided by 2, that is 4. I'm going to add 1 inch for, let me show you, that is the wrist. Okay, for the customer, his wrist is 8 divided by 2, that is what, that is 4. So I added 1 inch for this dart allowance here, and the remaining half there is for seam allowance. All right, so altogether I added 1.5 inch allowance to that 4. That becomes 5.5. So for the sleeve cap, okay, we are going to come down by 5 inches to get our sleeve cap. Now how to cover sleeve: come down by 5 inches, then we now come down again by 1.5 inch. Take note, 1.5 inch. Then we'll get the, this is the wideness of our sleeve, right, of the area we're using. We'll now get the midpoint. Okay, this is 10, so midpoint should be around 5. We'll get our midpoint. This is our midpoint. Now after getting this midpoint, watch carefully how I'm going to curve the sleeve. I'll start from 2 inches here, 2 inches to the end. I'll start from here and then I'll curve my sleeve. Now this is where you pay close attention, because knowing how to curve this sleeve is very, very important, so that you don't get it wrongly. Watch how I'm turning my French curve. Watch carefully how I'm turning it. You see that? So second to the final thing we're going to do, just watch carefully. You can see the formula I used to curve my sleeve, right? Very important. Now I'll use my straight ruler first to get the straight line of the inseam. After I get it, I'll now use my French curve to curve it properly the way it should be. Okay, so you can see this. If we leave it like this, the allowance will be too much. It will be bulky here at the sleeve. So that's why I'm going to come in at about 1 inch. Okay, and I'll see turn it this way and I'll go out. And you see this? As simple as that. The next thing for us to do now is to cut it out carefully. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, like I said, this is very simple, and I'm going to drop the video on the sewing of this. Okay, I want it to be a complete package, so I'll drop the video on how I'm going to stitch this so that you get the complete knowledge. All right, now you can now go ahead and use this sleeve we have drafted to produce the second one. Instead of going all over to draft the sleeve again, we'll simply fold our fabric and use this one we have drafted. Look at my sleeve at this point, my arm at this point. Can you see? At this point, I'm having 12 is free enough. So you can see, you check, come up by 7 inches and you check it, you can see that it's free. Of course, the person's measurement is same as mine. You can see how free it is. Very important. I believe you are seeing the shape of this sleeve. This is how a perfect sleeve should be. Now, by the time we use this, we can draft the second sleeve. Guys, I said before that if you're interested in learning suit making from me, I dropped my number from the beginning of the video. Please chat me on WhatsApp if you want to master how to make suit. Is it male suit? Is it female suit? Is it safari suit? Okay, anything concerning suit that you want to learn, I'm the best teacher you can ever find online. All right, so just chat me up and I will lecture you on that. All right, and also I said my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description below. Click the link to join my WhatsApp group. On that WhatsApp group, you'll find other designers there as well to answer your questions, not just me, to share vast knowledge. I also learn from the group myself as well. So join that group so that you learn a lot from other designers. Okay, now without wasting time, you can now go ahead using this first sleeve you've drafted to produce the second one. You just trace it out. Okay, and that will be all for now. Expect the video on how to stitch this. I'm promising you that, even though this channel is strictly for pattern drafting, but I'll be dropping some sewing videos occasionally, so expect the video on how to stitch this very, very soon. Okay, thank you so much. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nat Patterns, the best pattern channel in the world. Thank you.